Everybody, it's Nat coming to you with another video. In this video, I am going to be doing an initial unboxing for Julia hair. So if you're interested in my thoughts on this hair, please stay tuned. This is the hair right here. It came in this nice, pretty pink box. You know I love pink. It came in, it was less than a week that this hair came. And, let's see. So, this is everything. This is everything that came in the box. They gave me a nice weaving cap, which I probably won't be using because it's black. I like my weaving cap to be more flesh tone. And then all of my information. And so all of that. And here is the hair. I ordered 2 bundles of 14-inch and a 12-inch closure. Just trying to see if it has an odor. No odor on those two. No odor so far. Alright, 3 for 3. Smells really like nothing. I know sometimes hair smells like beauty supply store hair, but it really doesn't smell like anything. So as it comes out the bag, feels really, really nice. Okay. Okay. These are your bundles. They feel really nice and soft and thick. This is Brazilian hair, if I forgot to say. This is Brazilian hair. The wefting is nice. Very, very nice. Not all raggedy or whatnot. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. It is a natural color. I don't know if you can, yeah, the color is very natural. I'm not sure if I'm going to dye it. I guess as I go through the process of everything, I'm going to, you know what, I don't think I'm going to dye this hair. I'm going to do a circle unit with this. Oh, let's look at these ends. All the ends are nice. Can you see that? The ends are very nice. I mean, coming from my ashy knuckles. Are they? They're a little ashy. Come from my ashy knuckles. Ends are very nice. They do have, which is, as long as it's not in excess, I don't mind. They have a few of those, you know, those pop-up hairs. Like they'll do shorter, like when they are putting their hair on the weft, they will put shorter hair in there to fill it in and make it thick instead of having it all like one lift. But it's not bad at all. I see very, very few. Believe me, I've seen worse. I've seen worse for real. Like, ugh. Okay. Yep. This hair looks really nice, and it's thick. Oh, I can't wait to see what I'm gonna do with this, honey. This is very, very nice. It feels very, very nice. So as you all know, usually I do sew-ins. I'm sorry, not sew-ins. I'll sew my hair to the unit, but this one I am going to hot glue this. If you want a video of me, you know, how I hot glue my wigs, I have a couple of sewing videos. If you want to see that, please put it below in the comments and I'll do that for you. I doubt if it be with this unit because this will probably, by the time you see this, it's probably going to be made already. So I'm going to do a hot glue gun. I'm going to use the hot glue gun method to put this on the unit. I'm going to do a circle unit. Not sure exactly how I'm going to style it, but I just get inspiration once I do the unit. Then I'm like, how am I going to do this? And then that's when I go into exactly how I'm going to style the unit. But so far, so good. I love this hair. This is nice. Yeah, very thick. And I bet when I give this hair a good deep condition, it's just going to be, okay. So, I don't know. I get excited about hair. I don't know. I just do. I just get excited, period, about packages in the mail. But when it's hair, oh my God. If I'm weird, oh well. So let's see. What else? Again, it's 2 bundles of 14 and then a 12-inch bundle. I'm going to do a circle weave unit using my hot glue gun method. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to come back to you in a separate video once I make my unit to show you how it came out. And then, you know, after that, I do a month follow-up, and then I do a 3-month follow-up. So, yeah. Stay tuned. And while you sitting up here watching this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You know, you're going to get a whole lot of more videos from me. I do makeup. I do wig reviews. I do all kind of stuff. Clothing hauls. You never know what you're going to get with me. So go ahead and click subscribe. And then click that bell next to it so you'll be notified when your girl put up another video. Okay? So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Please smash the notification bell so you can be part of the notification squad. And until next time, people, peace and blessings. Bye.